spent several hours trying to fix it. All right, so welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna be working on a 2006 Chevy or GMC, same thing, Envoy Denali. We're gonna be changing the water pump and thermostat housing as well as the thermostat. So it should be an interesting journey today. This is my friend Oscar's truck. You may see him later, so. See how this works. I've never used one of these.
First time using it.
Yep. It's gonna drain from two places, right? The radiator and what's left in the hose. I was expecting it to be a mess, but wow. Could have been worse.
Yeah.
Water's still in the bucket, but that's fine.
You know that clamp works.
Oh, it did, man. That's great.
Yep.
That was worth the $4.
Okay.
Take this bolt out over here. This holds the fan still. This is the wrench. We're gonna break it loose though. That's not even turning. Just not sure why it's not doing what I want it to do. Go into the holes on the water pump pulley, and it'll hold the water pump pulley still. Ow. That hurt. I think I got it.
But it did you got it loose.
I did?
Yep.
You saw it?
I saw it.
Okay. There we go.
Is there something holding it?
No, it just slides in.
That radiator neck, it's locking in there. So that's why it's not able to bring it out.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Now we gotta get the belt off. I just hope we don't need to pull this off. I really don't. I really hope we don't. That's gonna suck. Probably gonna have to get a pulley to pull this off. Then we're gonna have to remove the bolts to pull the water pump out. I'm gonna point out here what went wrong. These threads stripped because the fan clutch was being screwed on crooked, and see how fine the thread is? Anyway, it wound up stripped. We spent several hours trying to fix it. Can't be fixed, so we have to replace the entire water pump again. So that's what we're in the midst of doing. We also had to get a new fan clutch, which is gonna go on the fan here. Right here. This is the part that screws onto the water pump pulley. So it went on crooked and these threads got screwed up as well. Anyway, got a new fan clutch, new water pump. Gonna do everything all over again. Live and learn. The thing about this is that this gasket has a tab. Line up the tab with the thermostat, and this is in the spot it needs to be as well. So it worked out perfect. A thin layer. This is a torque wrench in here, a small one for inch pounds. We're working on an aluminum block, so that's why torquing them down to the correct torque specs is highly important. If you go over the torque specs, there's a good chance you're going to actually strip the block, which is not good. Here it is. So that's 11 foot-pounds or 132 inch-pounds. All right, so now So with this, it comes with these aluminum gaskets. From everything that I've read, is that we don't need to use any type of liquid gasket maker. Some of the GMCs come with paper gaskets like these, And so you would need to use the liquid gasket maker like I did. If you notice my nose running, it's because it's cold out here. I'm gonna use this because it's a little bit faster, but I'm not gonna get it all the way down. You don't want to over torque like I mentioned before. This one is 22 foot-pounds. What that translated to was 264 inch-pounds. So I had to get the big foot-pound torque wrench. We connected these smaller hoses here. The tensioner is gonna go back on the water pump. Now we're gonna put the serpentine belt back on.
As soon as you fire it up, that thing straight by itself, right?
Sometimes it won't.
It won't.
You want to shred the belt.
Okay.
That's why you want to be sure everything is lined up. Theoretically, it could line itself up, but I mean, I don't trust it. I've ruined belts doing that. So there's the new clutch here. I'm gonna go in here. I'm not sure what size these are.
Probably like a 10. No, I'd probably say
Like a 12?
14 and let's try a 13.
Oh, you're good. Look at you. Duh. That's the old one. They're going in straight over there.
Yeah.
I'm scared. That looks crooked to me.
It does. Yep, it is crooked.
There we go. I got it.
Hey.
Success. I used a fan clutch wrench, which is what we used to take it off. I just used it to get it tightened again.
Do you want to be in it?
Their mine will be the one.
All right, mission complete. I'm glad because it's really cold out here, but Oscar's happy. My brother, he's totally happy with it, so we got it done. It took a week because of the problems that you saw in the video, but hey, that's DIY. That's how it goes. So anyway, mission complete. Thanks for watching. Join us again sometime. Y'all have a good day.